how we can use Microsoft Designer AI to turn ourselves into this pixel-like, cartoonish-like avatar. Simply head to designer.microsoft.com and then we got two options. We can click Avatar from the top menu, and in this case you will simply describe the avatar to AI and AI will generate avatar based on your description. So that's one way of doing it. Let's go back though and try another way when we can actually upload the picture of ourselves, and this picture will be used and transformed to a different style of our choice. So to do that, simply search in this top bar Restyle. Restyle image, that's the top suggestion. I clicked on that. And here I can do three things. I can upload the image of myself, I can select a style, and I can add additional description to describe the background behind me. So that's a great way that we can have a full control of this process. So let me just drop the image of myself in the first box by clicking Add Image. Alright, so I got the image uploaded. Now I need to select a style. As you can see, we got many styles to choose from. We got pixel art, we got 3D like, we got this low poly style. I think I will start with low poly. And then you can describe the backdrop. I would type just one word, office, and click generate. Now the Microsoft Designer is creating 4 options for us to choose from. Keep in mind it may take up to 1 minute. And here it is. They managed to capture some of my facial features like green eyes. I got blue shirt in that picture. I got brown hair, and also they put the office-like backdrop for me based on my description. So that's nice. We could literally click generate once more if you want to see 4 more options, or we can change some properties. So I can change the style from low poly to something else. Let's go with the flat illustration, and for the backdrop I will just type nature. I hit generate once more, and now we can see that the program is preparing 4 new options for us. Alright, and now we got very minimalistic flat illustration because I choose this style, and also I type nature. As you can see, I got trees behind this avatar. So that's how you can generate avatar. That's how you can restyle the image of yourself into a certain style using the Microsoft Designer AI. Just keep in mind, you can try several times before you pick the one you like the most. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!